If this is what your utility bill looks like, Super R Radiant Barrier is the inexpensive answer to help reduce utility costs and keep your home or business more comfortable year-round. In the early years of the space program, NASA realized conventional insulation could not withstand the extreme temperatures of space. So a reflective metallic material called Radiant Barrier was developed and is now used on spacecraft and in spacesuits to protect astronauts against the harsh environment of space. After years of extensive research and development, the same technology that helped put man on the moon is available to help you control rising utility costs. Now you can join the millions of people who have installed Radiant Barrier in their homes and offices to conserve energy and help reduce our country's dependence on foreign oil. Super R Radiant Barrier is quite simply a sheet of double-sided 99% pure aluminum that acts as a shield to reduce the amount of heat transfer taking place. When installed in your attic, Super R reflects heat out in the summer and helps keep heat inside during the winter. Super R is inexpensive and easy to install in new construction or existing structures, requiring no special tools or protective clothing. Simply roll on top of the attic floor with or without the existing insulation, or hang it from the roof rafters. In new construction, Super R can be placed in walls and under the roof deck to create an extremely energy-efficient building. Super R actually pays for itself in energy savings. Due to its unique design, it will never need replacement and will increase the resale value of your home. Super R water heater jackets are also available. Simply wrap the pre-cut jacket loosely around the water heater to contain the warmth and reduce your water heating bills. Super R is also widely used in utility buildings, mobile homes, garages, barns, poultry houses, offices, industrial plants, and warehouses, to name a few. Your heating and cooling equipment is designed to maintain a comfortable temperature. The amount of time the equipment runs depends on the percent of heat that enters in the summer or escapes in the winter. This simple concept is called heat transfer. Super R is designed to reflect the heat. Let's look at how this works. There are three types of heat transfer that contribute to the comfort of your home or office: conduction, convection, and radiation. When conventional insulation was first developed, conduction and convection were the sources addressed. However, technology now shows that of the three, radiation is the primary source of heat gain and heat loss. Radiant heat accounts for up to 95% of summer heat gain and 75% of winter heat loss. When the sun's hot rays radiate down on your roof, it can create temperatures of up to 150 degrees. Conventional insulation only reflects 10% of the radiant heat that strikes it. The remaining heat is absorbed and trapped, then transferred to the space below, making your air conditioner run longer and consume more electricity. Finally, there is a solution. The most cost-effective way to lower utility cost is to lower the amount of heat transferred into or out of the building by reflecting it. By simply installing Super R in the attic, up to 95% of the radiant heat will be reflected, allowing the space below to stay much cooler. This translates into fewer runtime hours and less energy used to maintain a comfortable temperature. Warm air rises naturally and is transferred through your insulation, then escapes into the cold attic air. Your heating system works round the clock to maintain a comfortable inside temperature. Once Super R has been installed, its two-sided reflective surface will reflect the heat back into the living space. This not only saves energy dollars, it also saves wear and tear on your equipment. In addition, during the milder spring and autumn, Super R can keep you comfortable without having to use your air conditioner or heating system at all. Let's review the benefits you'll receive from installing Super R Radiant Barrier. Super R reduces your heating and cooling cost. It's easy and inexpensive to install. Super R not only pays for itself, it will actually make you money with continual savings. Because Super R reduces heat evenly, you'll maintain a comfortable temperature throughout your home. No more rooms that get too hot or too cold. And you'll help conserve America's energy resources. Radiant Barrier has been proven effective in testing completed by independent and government laboratories, including the Tennessee Valley Authority, Florida Solar Energy Center, the University of Mississippi, Oak Ridge Laboratories, Texas A&M University, and the U.S. Department of Energy. Super R's space-age technology is the key to making your air conditioning and heating equipment more efficient. So if heating and cooling costs are absorbing more and more from your monthly budget, we have the solution. But the meter's running. Insulate yourself against rising utility cost with Super R Radiant Barrier.